Accidents happen.
Life's messy. That's why Bissell engineered the Spot Clean Pro. It's our most powerful spot cleaner, and it's ideal for removing stains from virtually anywhere in your home or car. The compact and portable design lets you take superior stain-fighting formula and superior suction to hard-to-reach spots where messes happen, but full-sized upright carpet cleaners may not fit. When the small, hard-to-reach stains strike, Spot Clean Pro is there to help.
Accidents happen, but the Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is here to rescue your carpets from spots and stains. Just spray, scrub, and suction to remove daily messes with full-size power in a compact design. Hoover's high-performance expert solutions and antimicrobial tools help tackle tough stains wherever they happen. And it's the only spot cleaner with a self-cleaning hose that flushes out dirt and bacteria for a spotless clean inside and out. The Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner.